Welcome to F-16 Safe for Maintenance. This program is aimed at those of you who are familiar with the aircraft, but might be unfamiliar with exactly what is accomplished prior to working on the system. As a reminder, regardless of what you see in this program, your official words of wisdom come from the original technical orders, job guides, checklists, and experienced supervisors. If ever there is a doubt, consult one or more of these official guides to ensure you're safe, correctly performing all these procedures. As you arrive at the aircraft, start by reviewing the aircraft forms, making certain the aircraft is safe in its present configuration. Once you've reviewed the forms with no discrepancies which keep you from performing your work, start safing the aircraft for maintenance. Start by checking that the aircraft is properly grounded. Look at all points of contact. Then check the fire bottle and its serviceability. If the aircraft was recently refueled, make certain it's settled before entering any of the areas under the arresting hook, stores pylons, or external fuel tanks. Then, look at the aircraft chocks. Are they positioned correctly? That is, forward and aft of each main landing gear wheel. Look at the left main landing gear lock pin. Be sure it's installed in the main landing gear drag brace. Walk back to the arresting hook. Make certain it's up and locked. Look from the left side to see that the safety lock pin is installed. This pin is installed from left to right. If this isn't correct, inadvertent arresting hook release can occur. If the arresting hook is down, manually raise the hook until it makes contact with the up-lock hook. Using a screwdriver, press at point B or the switch to ensure the hook roller is fully engaged in the up-lock hook. Then, install a safety lock pin from the left side and verify it's engaged by trying to remove it without depressing the button. Now, look at the nose landing gear lock pin. Is it installed in the nose landing gear drag brace? With the left side complete, let's move to the aircraft right side. Looking at the right of the inlet, visually check the installation of the EPU safety pin. Then, move on to the hydrazine detector, the pellet underneath the right wing, and visually look through the sight glass. If there is a hydrazine leak, the detector pellet changes color from its normal orange to either deep purple or black. If it's either purple or black, clear the area immediately. This represents leakage. Then initiate spill cleanup procedures as soon as possible. Once the EPU is found safe, walk back to the right side main landing gear lock pin and make sure it's installed in the drag brace. Another very critical area are munitions and their support systems. If you find there is a LAU-129 missile launcher installed, no safety pin is required. However, if an AIM-9 missile launcher is installed with an AIM-9 missile loaded, check that the safety pin, lollipop, is installed. If either there's a MAU-12C or 12A bomb rack installed with explosive cartridges, check for installed MAU-12 safety pins. This includes any wing pylons with external stores and a centerline pylon with external stores. If you find external fuel tanks installed, look for the installed fuel pylon safety pins. Next, check that the gunfire safety pin is installed in the gun firing circuit. This is located on the left side under the wing. This safety pin is installed at either the interior or exterior fuselage location. If there's a gunfire safety pin installed at the exterior of the fuselage, the steamer ring is positioned outboard. If chaff or flares are installed on either side, ensure the safety pin on the right side chaff flare dispenser is installed. Should you find an AN/ALE-50 installed with no loaded magazines, look for 2 installed launcher controller safety pins in the pylon. We've completed the external check, but if cockpit entry is required, you have to check the section covering safing the aircraft cockpit in accordance with TO 1 F-16 CG 2 10JG 001 dated 10/30/01. Although this seems abbreviated, I assure you everything covered is extremely important. Missing just one of these steps could be catastrophic for either yourself or one of your team members.